39-23-00001-LRP. And the purpose of this meeting is to have the second reading and public hearing of ordinance number 2023-8. Ordinance number 2023-8 is an ordinance approving a minor comprehensive plan map amendment from an agricultural land to aggregate resource land and a zoning map amendment from exclusive farm use to aggregate removal, and to add a portion of the property to the county's Goal 5 inventory of significant aggregate resource sites on property described as Township 35 South, Range 1 West, Section 1, Tax Lot 100, Section 2, Tax Lot 100, and Section 3, Tax Lot 100, located at 16568 Highway 62, Eagle Point. Again, the applicant is Friel and Associates, and this is file number 439-23-00001-LRP. And with our planning staff today, we have Ted Zook, and there's Charles right there, Charles Bennett. And our legal staff, we have Joel Benton. It says Pete Philbrick, but you're not him. But I will request you to read the admonishments, though, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Today is the second reading of ordinance number 2023-8, which implements a decision made on November 15th, 2023 by the Board of Commissioners. Pursuant to the Jackson County Charter, Section 14, Sub 3, the first reading of this ordinance was made on December 20th, 2023. The purpose of today's hearing is limited and specific. The hearing is for the Board of Commissioners to determine whether its previous decision is properly documented in the language of proposed ordinance 2023-8. Consequently, the only appropriate and relevant input from hearing participants and members of the public to be considered in today's hearing must be narrowly focused on these two issues: whether the staff prepared the ordinance according to the decision of the and direction of the Board of Commissioners, and whether there are any grammatical or typographical errors in the proposed ordinance. It is also important to note this is not the time to debate the merits of the Board's decision or its impacts, or to give opinions that the decision was a good decision or a bad decision. The hearing record on the decision was closed, and the public input today will be segregated from the hearing record and will not be considered as part of the hearing record or reflected in the findings or conclusions contained in the ordinance. The board chair or county council may stop speakers from getting off topic and redirect them to the two relevant factors for consideration. This is the opportunity for the commissioners to announce whether they have any actual or potential conflicts of interest or ex parte communications with respect to the matter today, or the person or entity requesting the change. If so, the commissioners can discuss the nature of the conflict or ex parte communication and address how they wish to proceed. Mr. Chair, are there any conflicts of interest or ex parte communications to report?
I have none.
I have none.
And I have none.
Thank you, Mr. Chair and Commissioners, and that concludes the admonishment.
Thank you. And do we have any questions of planning staff concerning the proposed ordinance from the commissioners?
No.
All right. Then I will ask Joel, the county council, to read the rules of the public hearing, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Pursuant to Jackson County Codified Ordinance, Chapter 213.07, the rules for the conduct of the hearing is as follows. Only the chairperson or a member of the Board of County Commissioners may question a speaker. There will be no interruption of a speaker from the audience and no debates on the floor. Applause is not permitted. The speaker may criticize the proposal, the board, or an agency of the county, but the speaker shall not argue with another speaker directly. Any speaker may present an opposite view, but not in personal terms. A person wishing to speak shall raise his or her hand, or sign in, or raise his or her Zoom hand, and be recognized by the chairperson conducting the hearing. After being recognized, the speaker shall state their name and address before proceeding with their statement. The chairperson may limit the duration of any presentation to the time necessary to cover factual information. Repetition by a speaker shall be avoided. Whoever violates any of such rules shall first be warned by the chairperson to desist from such violation. In the event that such person does not desist, in the event that such person is not so desist, he or she may be ordered by the chairperson to leave the hearing. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Joel. All right, and with that, we will open the public hearing. I don't have a sign-up sheet, but is there anyone wishing to speak on this matter today? Or is there anyone online with their Zoom hand up?
Mr. Chair, at this time, no one has their Zoom hand raised to speak.
Okay, then we will close the public hearing and deliberate on the matter.
I have nothing to deliberate on this.
All right.
So I will move to adopt ordinance number 2023-8, approving a minor comprehensive plan map amendment from agricultural land to aggregate resource land, and a zoning map amendment from exclusive farm use, EFU, to aggregate removal, AR, and to add a portion of the property to the county's Goal 5 inventory of significant aggregate resource sites on property described as Township 35 South, Range 1 West, Section 1, Tax Lot 100, Section 2, Tax Lot 100, and Section 3, Tax Lot 100. Located at 16568 Highway 62, Eagle Point. Application is Friel and Associates through their agent O'Connor Law Group. It is file number 43923-00001-LRP.
Second.
Any additional deliberation before we vote?
No, I think it reflects what we adopted earlier.
It does.
Commissioner Roberts,
Yes.
Commissioner Daughter,
Yes.
Commissioner Dyer.
Yes. And with that, we will adjourn the meeting.